Are you trying to decide between Notion and SharePoint? You are not alone. Many people find themselves in the same situation. In this video, we'll break down the key features of both tools and help you figure out which one is right for you. Both Notion and SharePoint are designed to help teams work better together. They offer spaces for collaboration, document sharing, and project management. But they do have some differences that might make one a better fit for you. Let's start with Notion. Notion is a flexible workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and calendars. It's very user friendly and allows you to customize your workspace. You can create pages for anything from project plans to personal to do lists. Notion is great for small teams or individuals who need a simple way to organize their work. Now, let's look at SharePoint. SharePoint is more focused on document management and enterprise level collaboration. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite, which means it integrates well with other Microsoft tools. SharePoint is ideal for larger organizations that need strong security and compliance features. It offers advanced document control and workflow automation. So, what are the main differences? Notion is more flexible and easier to use for small teams. SharePoint, on the other hand, is more powerful for larger organizations with complex needs. When it comes to features, Notion shines with its customizable templates and user friendly interface. SharePoint excels in document management and integration with Microsoft tools. In terms of pricing, Notion tends to be more affordable for individuals and small teams. SharePoint can be pricier but offers more robust features for larger businesses. In conclusion, if you are part of a small team or just need a personal tool, Notion might be the way to go. But if you are in a big organization and need strong document management, SharePoint could be a better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.